Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is 1 plus a. This is equal to a. So what is the value of a? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have 1 plus a. This is equal to a. So the first step is to take plus a on the right hand side, and this means that we have 1 is equal to a subtract a. So this is to mean that 1 is equal to a minus a. This is equal to 0, such that 1 is not equal to 0. So this implies that there is no real solution. There is no real solution to this algebra problem. So what we have is this is an empty set. We have an empty set. Now, if P is equal to Q, this implies that P to the power of 2, this is equal to Q to the power of 2. Now this is to mean that 1 plus a raised to the power of 2, this is equal to a to the power of 2. Now 1 plus a to the power of 2, this is in the form of x plus y raised to the power of 2, which we can express as x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2, then plus 2xy. Applying this algebraic identity, here we have 1 squared is 1, plus we have a to the power of 2, then plus 2a. This is equal to a to the power of 2. Now, let's take a to the power of 2 on the left hand side, so that we have 1 plus a squared plus 2a minus a squared. This is equal to 0. Now, a squared minus a squared, this simplifies, so that we have 1 plus 2a. This is equal to 0. Now, let's take plus 1 on the right hand side. This means we have 2a. This is equal to negative 1. Now, let's divide both signs by 2, so that we have a is equal to negative 1 over 2. So this is the value of a. Now, let's verify if this value of a satisfies the equation. So we have 1 plus a. This is supposed to give us a value of a. Let's substitute a here. This is 1 plus, this is negative a half. This should be equal to negative a half. So this is 1 plus times minus half. This is minus half. This should give us a value of negative a half. So 1 minus a half, this is a half, and this is not equal to negative a half. So this is to mean that a equal to negative a half. This is not a solution. A is not equal to negative a half. So this indicates that there is no solution. There is no solution to this algebra problem. So in other words, if we have 1 plus negative a half, the magnitude of this, that is the magnitude of 1 plus negative a half, this is equal to the magnitude of negative a half. So in such a case here, we have the magnitude of 1 minus a half. Here, this is equal to the magnitude of negative 1 over 2. In this case, this means that the magnitude of 1 minus a half, which is negative a half, this is equal to the magnitude of negative a half. In this case, this means that a equal to negative a half satisfies the equation. Now, let me know how you think about this problem in the comment section.